How's it going, YouTube? So, in our passenger van, we got no air going. This thing spins, you hear sounds, but no air coming out, going there. They say it's very expensive to replace or to even take off, so I recommend trying this first. So these things just come off easily. There's a couple bolts right here. So air comes in through here, goes through a radiator, condenser, whatever you want to call it, and comes up this way through the pipes. Problem is there's no filter, and that thing gets gunked up in there. So it looks clean on this side, those coils right there. But if you look on the incoming side, the inlet, you can see all that gunk. I mean, it's just crazy. Let's see if I can focus. Look at that. That's the radiator. So anyways, I don't think I need to show any more. I'm gonna clean that up. The thing is I made a hole with this. That's the easiest way. And when I'm done, I'll just close it up, put some really good construction tape over it, and I'll be good to go. When I clean it, air will definitely flow. This is not a fix for everyone, but I think for most people this is.